This is Nancy from the design team of Decoupage Queen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to apply the new large size Decoupage Queen rice papers. The one I'm going to be using is called Peacock Majesty, and it's in the size A2, which is approximately 16 inches by 24 inches. This size is perfect for small furniture, jewelry armoires, or even for breaking up and using in other smaller projects. This rice paper is fabulous quality. It goes on so smoothly. You can reposition it as you're applying it in case you make a mistake. You can just pick it up and move it, unlike tissue papers and napkins. That's difficult to do. So if you've ever been a little daunted in decoupaging a large piece of furniture, this is the paper to use. So I'm going to be applying it to this jewelry armoire, which I've laid down flat on its back just for easier for applying it and also for video. But it's an easy way to apply it too if you're able to put your furniture down flat. This armoire has some molding around it. It's not going to be as easy to just put on the decoupage medium and brush on the paper. I'm going to have to be going around the molding, which will be great for you to see how easy it is to do. I'm going to start at one end, pushing it into all the nooks of the molding and pulling it from one side to the next. So that's why I'm starting on the one side rather than going top to bottom. So I use a product called Aleene's Collage, but you can use whatever medium you like. And I started with the soft brush and started in the one corner and brush a good amount of your product on, pushing it into the corners. And then I pushed using the brush and my fingers. I pressed gently the rice paper into the corners. You're going to want to keep smoothing it out so there aren't any bubbles or wrinkles. But as I said, this paper is extremely easy to use, and you rarely get any kind of wrinkles or bubbles that you have to deal with. I moved my way down the furniture, applying the collage and using the brush. And just smoothing it out as I went. And as I said, I went from left to right, so I did the whole one side, and then I made my way over to the opposite side. Just moving in small sections and keep pressing it down, and then apply your glue on top as well. After it fully dries, I then apply a coat or two of a sealer, whichever one you prefer, in either a matte, semi-gloss, or gloss, whichever you like. I continue to move to the other side, just applying the glue, pressing it down. You can use your fingers, you can use a paper towel, or a lot of people use a plastic wrap balled up, and that can help smoothing it on without ripping it. But this paper is really not fragile. When you see I have it flipped like this, you can see all of the fibers of the rice paper going through. When your paper arrives, it comes folded once, possibly twice, but when you apply your paper to your project with the glue, you will not see any of the lines from the folding. It also comes with a white border, which I had taken off here. I just use a brush and some water and go around the border, pulling it off. that's a better way to do it when you're going to blend the edges rather than cutting it with scissors. If you cut it, it's just more of a sharp edge and the blending isn't as seamless as it is with the tearing of the paper. This paper comes in 5 sizes now, size A4 through A0. I'll have in the description all of the sizes that are available. Some have to be special ordered. And also in the description, you will see the link for Decoupage Queen, and on there you can find a retailer near you where you can see the papers in person. She does sell, Decoupage Queen is available around the world. And as you can see, I just keep moving across and I'm pushing it with the brush in my fingers around all the moldings until I get to the end. And then when I come back, after it's dry, I'll blend with my paints to make it a seamless finish. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please leave some comments, leave a question. And I hope you try this new paper. It's fabulous and you'll love it.